For sure, a lot of you know the benefits of switching to natural alternatives rather than opting for store-bought products. In this video, we will discuss at length chemical-free hair cleansing alternatives that will keep your hair long and strong. Amla powder is an amazing non-toxic alternative since it mildly exfoliates the scalp, getting rid of the excessive oil and dirt that water alone cannot clean. It is an excellent antioxidant that reverses premature hair loss and even fights scalp infections, especially dandruff. Take some amla powder, add some water, leaving it overnight. In the morning, before using it, add some lemon juice. You can apply this on your scalp or even throughout your hair, keeping it for 15 minutes. This popular ingredient has been used as a cleanser for centuries and is known to leave your hair soft and shiny. Rita contains saponins, which creates foam when shaken with water and is hence one of the best natural cleansers out there. Grind a handful of dried Rita nuts into fine powder. Mix this with water until you achieve a paste-like consistency. Apply this in a uniform manner, working towards the end of your hair and then massaging your scalp with this for at least 2 to 3 minutes. You can boil a few soap nuts, strain the water and use that as a herbal rinse as well. Apart from strengthening your roots and reversing hair fall, shikakai is a cleanser that will remove all the dirt, grime and excess oil from your scalp like no other. To make your very own magic potion, mix the required amount of shikakai powder with some hot curry leaves water, mixing it and leaving it overnight. Apply this all throughout your hair. Wrap your hair up in either a shower cap or simply secure it with a clip, leaving it on for a good hour. This ingredient is probably nature's best kept hair secret as it adds a blinding shine to the most lackluster hair. It is packed with nutrients that will cleanse and care for your hair at the same time. To make your hair pack, mix some green gram flour with some lemon juice and a teaspoon of yogurt. Mix this well and apply it on your hair for at least 2 hours before washing it off. If you are suffering from dandruff, you can mix this with a teaspoon of aloe and massage this onto your scalp. When it comes to natural alternatives, the best part is that you can come up with your own concoctions, and here is one that I'm sure will work for the majority of you. All you need is 6 hibiscus leaves, 4 curry leaves, 2 hibiscus flowers, and 3 tablespoons of moong dal. Remember to only use freshly plucked ingredients that are free of any pesticides. Grind this with water till it becomes a paste. Use this on well-rinsed hair how you would normally use a shampoo and give your scalp a good scrub. Remember, there are always healthier options to every kind of commercial or chemical product, so make sure you choose wisely. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.